Welcome to this class, students. Last time we talked about different demographic measurements. We talked about different 5 demographic measurements: fertility measures, mortality measures, migration measures, and other measures. Among them, today we will read about fertility measures. Under that, we will read about CBR, crude birth rate. Maybe you have remembered there are 4 fertility measures. They are CBR, crude birth rate, GFR, general fertility rate, ASFR, age specific fertility rate, and TFR, total fertility rate. Now let's discuss about CBR. While discussing about the CBR, we will discuss in 6 topics, different topics. First is definition, second calculation, and third one is expression, fourth one features, next one is important data, and next is formula. So let's start. First, let's go to definition. What is CBR? What is crude birth rate? At first you have to know the words meaning. Crude means very raw, very simple, primary type of birth rate. So this is a type of birth rate which is very simple, normal, and it gives you the raw data. We will talk about this later, but let's go to definition. You can see the total live births of infants out of 1000 mid-year population in the certain place within a specified year is called crude birth rate. So here you have to understand total live birth. So this is the total number of live births. If there is some miscarriage or something that is not taken in birth, so we will only take here live births. So the total live births of infants among 1000 mid-year population. So among 1000 mid-year population, how many total live births are there in a certain place and specific year? That number, total number of live birth, is called crude birth rate. And how is it calculated? You can see it is calculated by dividing total number of live births by the total mid-year population. As we have discussed in the definition, it is calculated by dividing total number of live births. Please focus on live births. Total number of live births by total mid-year population. You can see here by total mid-year population and multiplied by 1000. So this definition and calculation, they are related. Look here the total live births of infants out of 1000 mid-year population in the certain place within a specific year. If you read this definition, then how is it calculated, you can easily tell, and it is very easier. Here out of 1000 mid-year population, so here we multiply by 1000. Now let's go to expression. How is it expressed? Look here, it is expressed in per 1000. Why it is expressed in per 1000? Because we multiplied by 1000. So here it is taken among 1000 mid-year population. So here in expression we express it in per 1000. As we express percentage in per 100, percentage means per 100, in the same way here CBR is expressed in per 1000. Now what are the features of CBR? As I have already said, crude means very raw, simple, easy. So this is the simplest and easiest way to calculate fertility rate. This is the primary basic type of fertility rate. It is crude or it is raw measurement because it calculates fertility of whole population, that includes males, females, children, adults, married, unmarried people, having fertility and not having fertility. These all are counted here, and it doesn't need other specific data to measure, and it is widely practiced in the world. So here you have to focus on this raw measurement. Why crude birth rate is the raw measurement? Because it calculates fertility of whole population. It includes male as well as females. It includes every age group like children, adults, and young people, and it also includes married as well as unmarried people, and it also includes the people having fertility as well as people who don't have fertility. Next, let's go to the next topic, that is data, the important data. The CBR of Nepal according to Demographic Health Survey of Nepal 2068 BS is 24.3 per thousand. It means in 2068 BS there were almost 24 live births given by 1000 media population. So you can see the formula. CBR is equal to B divided by P into 1000. Here B means total live births divided by media population and multiplied by 1000. So in this way we can calculate CBR or crude birth rate. Now here you have to understand what is this P, media population. P means population, population means media population here. So what is media population? So we have to know about this. Can anybody guess about this media population? Simply when we tell media population means population of the middle of the year. So let's see. Now media population is the average of the population of the first day and the last day of the year in a specific place and time. So here I have highlighted average. So this is the average population of first day and last day of the year. So average population means, you know, the first day of population plus second day of last day of population divided by 2. So it is calculated by dividing the sum of the population on the first day P0, or it is the population of January 1, and the last day P1, or it is the population of December 31st of the year. So you can define media population in this way as well. So when you express it in formula, you can say media population is equal to P0 plus P1 by 2. It means P0 means population of January 1. It means population of the first day of the year, and P1 means population of December 31 or population of the last day of the year, and divided by 2 means when you take out the average you have to count this item first, second. There are 2 items, so you divide it by 2. So by looking at this formula you can say that media population is the average of the population of the first day and the last day of the year. So look here, this is the average population of the first day and last day of the year. Here in the formula you can include the symbol. Instead of P0 you can write P1 plus P2 by 2. Now let's see next point, population of the first day of July. So this media population can be defined as the population of the first day of July. If you count January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months, and July 1st is the mid of the year. So the population of July 1st is also taken as the media population. Next point, the census of Nepal is taken around July. It means Jest or Asad in Nepal. So the population of Nepal is the media population. So in Nepal the census is taken around the census is taken around July. It means Jest and Asad. So census of Nepal is taken in the mid of the year. So the population of Nepal is the media population of Nepal. So the population of Nepal is the mid-year population. Now here is a numerical problem. You can see and practice it yourself. The population of a place in 2019 AD is 1 lakh on first day of January, which increased to 1,06,000 on the last day of December. In the same year, there were 800 live births. Now find out first mid-year population, second CBR. So all of you please copy this question and try yourself. Now I will tell you how to do this. Here what are the given? 1 lakh population. This is the population of the first day of January. It means this is P0, means population of first day of the year, and it increased to 1,06,000 on the last day of December. It means this is the population of last day of the year, so this is P1. In the same year there were 800 live births. B, live births means B. There are 800 live births, so B is equal to 800. Now we have to find out here mid-year population. So how do you find out mid-year population? Please remember. Yes, correct. Mid-year population is equal to P0 plus P1 by 2, or population of first day of the year plus population of last day of the year divided by 2. Okay, by using that formula you please find out mid-year population. After finding out mid-year population P, now you have to find out CBR. What is the formula of CBR? Please remember. Yes, correct. CBR is equal to B by P into 1000. It means total number of live births divided by mid-year population multiplied by 1000. Okay, good. Now please copy this question and practice yourself, and don't forget to write per 1000 after the answer comes. Okay, practice yourself. For today this much. We will meet in next class. Thank you.